everybody's imitate. Today we're gonna be filming 2 blind acts. Here's my scissors. So yeah, and I got glasses on. See those glasses? Those are fun. Look at the diamonds. So today we're gonna be filming with my glasses, and these are My Little Ponies 2. My Little Ponies 2, and I got 2. That's funny. Ha! Okay, now, and we're gonna open these. So let's get started. Let's open this one first. I really don't want to get a duplicate because sometimes I get duplicates and not. I can't believe I got this one. This is the coolest one I got. So we gotta get this one out, and then we got this one. Ah! Let's open this one. Well, it's so far so good. Well, sometimes these don't open when I cut them. So I've cut them 2 times. Okay, this was the best video ever because I got these 2. What awesome. This is an awesome pony. Yeah. And this is like, I'm Hoofs. I live on a horse. I'm Hoof, I'm Hoof, I'm Hoof. So here they are. I don't want to get Rainbow Dash. But this is the one we got, but this one isn't we got. And see, that one's we got in the back, but it's actually this one. But it's funny because this one is on the back of that one right there. Yeah. So I guess this is the end of the videos, guys. But don't you think these are pretty cool? Yeah, they are. Yeah. So, Nudie Nummies and its cooking show, and go check that out. And Richie's my best friend, and Richie loves me so much. And bye bye.